Hey, this is Mav. We were just talking about Palm, the big drop that it's on today, and the scalp that was just played on it. How I called this scalp. A couple different things. A little bit longer RSIs once, twice, and it drastically oversold. I talk about 10 being a point where you got to start honing in on it. It'll go down to 10, it'll stay below 10. But a lot of times when it gets near 10, you're looking for that to be a bounce point. You can see these short-term RSIs, 4 and 8. The 4 got down and actually touched just above 0. Obviously, that's just it's so oversold. You can see it makes even a small turn here, which could have been good for a very small scalp. When it comes down the second time, I'm looking at it a little bit harder. And put a line through this so you can see what I saw at that point. Right there when it touched down on 10 again. I called it on this, what started out as a hammer, ended up spinning top, started out as a hammer. Thought the buy point was at 410. I'll move this over just a hair to where it was through that candle. Right there through that spinning top. Now I saw the drastically oversold level starting to turn. I can see this trying to hook just a little bit, the PPO. We've got our pinch, which on 15-minute charts is not always as reliable. A lot of times you want to see this flatten, you want to see this start to curl a little bit harder. So, but I've done this quite a few times. I saw that pinch right there. I saw things starting to turn, look good to me. I saw the CCI starting to curl and hold itself up over negative 100. The tricks didn't come into a lot of play here because the separation stayed large. I do look for separation because, like I always say, the lines never want to stay separated very far for the most part. They try and pull themselves back together. So I see that separation, I see that curl, I see that pinch, the little bit of a turn. See everything's starting to try and curl, and it seemed like a good buy point. Matter of fact, I said 410 when it went into the 15-minute charts, so it went into the next 15-minute cycle. It came back down. I said it's a hold unless it won't hold 407, which was the bottom. Came back down, hit 409, pulled itself right back up. Went into the next 15-minute cycle, popped up over 430. Now I did freeze this chart because I'm annotating on stock charts, and I couldn't do it completely live. I'm not even sure if this continued trending up when it broke into the next cycle. But the scalp was from there through there. Take about your 4 or 5% and move on your way. It's a very successful, quick day trade in a matter of about 20 minutes. Anyways, Mab, I want to show you what I saw when I saw Palm today.